What's up everyone, welcome to IDALS. This is Aryan Sharma. So guys, I'm going to teach a choreography on Khatta Flow by Seedhe Maut and Krishna. So let's start the tutorial. So guys, ये गाना इतना स्पेशल क्यों है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि ये मुझे भी चैलेंजिंग लग रहा है मैं जब कर रहा हूँ, और इसलिए मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. So I have to show my skills on that song. So let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, again 5, 6, 7, go. 1, and again 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and jump from the right leg, then left or face level पे hit. Again 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, hit. Again 5, 6, 7, go. Boom, ha ha, boom. Then you have to drag your left leg. So 5, 6, 7, go. Ha. Then slowly here. Again 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, hit. Then drag your left straight and like this. Okay. So boom boom. So इतना हम लोग स्टार्ट से करते हैं स्लो. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, hit. Then drag, shift, hit, hit. Again from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. Slow. 1 and 2, hit. Slide, ha, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, go. Again from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. Slide, ha, ha, hit. Then drag your left, shift, hit, hit. इसके आगे 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, ha. Again 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, ha. Again 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, ha. From the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, hit. Ha, ha, boom, boom. Slide. And then 5, 6, 7, go. You have to move your pelvic. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. Slide. And then ha. 1. 5, 6, 7, go from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and hit. And chick, chick, boom, boom. Slide and pelvic. Then ये थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिव है. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, हिट करना है. एंड देन 5, 6, 7, गो. लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट. So you have to move your neck only neck. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, 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 ha. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, ha, ha. So start say 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, hit. Ha. Chick, chick, boom, boom. Ha, ha. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hit से करते हैं. 5, 6, 7, go. Hit, hit. Ha. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, go from the top. 1 and 2, hit. Ha. Chick, chick, boom, boom. 1 and hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then इसके बाद 5, 6, 7, go. Move only. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and ha. Again 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, ha, ha, boom, ha. That's salute something. 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, ha. Again from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and hit. ha, chick, chick, boom, boom, ha, ha, ha. 1 and 2 and ha, ha, ha.